Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from Michael in Massachusetts on his Galaxy DX86V. Michael, got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, wideband receiving transmit, low cut filter, and she's ready to rock and roll with these upgraded finals. So let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. Set it about 1 watt so you have full adjustability if you run an amplifier. All the way up, just under 10. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, 25 bird, 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 59 watts PEP. Alright, Michael, I'm sending this out first thing in the morning. I hope you enjoy it, and I appreciate it from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.